Hi, in last demo we saw how to create QR code, and in this video we are going to see how to read QR code. We are going to use OpenCV Python package to read and decode the QR code. This 4 image has been created in last demo. Now let's see how we can read it. So first I'm going to import CV2 module, and there are two parts. First we need to read this image and then we can decode it. I'm going to use cv2 dot I'm read to read this image, and here the file name is sample1.png. Going to store this image data in one variable, that is image, and let's see what kind of data this is. So print image, and let's see the type of this data. So type and image. Now let's execute this code. And we can see this is numpy array, and these are numpy array data. Now let's decode this image data. So we are going to create one detector object. I'll call it QR detector, and we can call cv2 dot QR code detector. Then we can call detect and decode method, and over here we can pass this image data. This will return decoded message, and few more information which we are going to ignore for the time. And finally let's print this decoded message. I'm going to remove these two print statement, save this code. Now let's execute it. And here you can see we have Google Map URL data here. Now here I have modified this code to read all the 4 images at once, and we are decoding all these messages, and finally we are going to print this decoded message. So let's execute this code, and you can see it's working for first one and third and fourth one, but for second one it's not working. So let's see what is the reason behind it. If you see the second image, which is in yellow color and back color is in black, maybe due to that it's not able to read this image. So let's close this screen and we can focus only on second image. So I'm going to delete first and third and fourth image, and over here I'm going to modify this code in order to read only second image. So let's remove this one, remove. Now we can do one more thing. While reading this image, we are going to change this color to grayscale by passing one argument over here, and let's save this image. cv2 dot I am right, and here we can call sample gray 2 dot png, and we can pass this image data. Now let's execute this code. Still we are not able to decode this data. But let's see the gray image, and okay, so maybe it's getting confused with black and white color. So what we are going to do is We are going to change this image, and we'll put some color like maybe green, and back color will be in white. Let's try with that. So we have modified this QR code color. Now it's in green and back color is in white. Now let's execute this code. And this time we are able to decode this message.